guys, in this video I'm not going to have any teachings, but I'm going to introduce you guys a very nice tool that is implemented on the Cisco packet tracer. So I'm not sure that other version of the packet tracer also have this tool or not, but I just want to tell you that right now I am using the Cisco packet tracer, which is the version is 7.2.0.0.226. And for example, like if other version of the packet tracer doesn't support that tool, the tool that I introduce you guys, please go to the Network Academy here, register the account, and then download one. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to know. Okay, so the tool that I want to introduce you guys, that make sure you go to the end device here, and after that you have to find the tool that is named of the sniffer here. This is sniffer. So the sniffer, it is the tool here that is similar as the Wireshark, that is the application software to capture the traffic. Okay, so most of the basic networking students, they need to learn how to analyze the traffic, which is the source IP, the destination IP, something like that. So this tool is the best for them. Okay, for example, like I have the connections. For example, I get the router here. Okay, so I want to sniff the packets between this router. So that's very easy. Just connect the router to the sniffer, and the sniffer another ones to this. So this work like the direct connect here. The logical view is just like this. We just like have the router 0 here, direct connect to router 1 here. So ignore the sniffer at the middle here. Okay, this is the logical thing that you need to imagine. Okay, so for example, like I go to the config of each router. Let's move down here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go faster a little bit. I config the IP address to make both of the router work. Okay, and then alright, okay, so make sure my correct. Okay, configuration correct. So I have to go to the sniffer here. We got GUI, you can see, and we have to turn on the service. Make sure you turn on the service here. If you turn off, it will not sniff the packets. Okay, and you can set the buffer size as bigger as you want. As you can see here, it can sniff a lot of packets here. You know, ARP, BGP, Bluetooth, CAT web, CDP, DHCP version 6, something like that. A lot of things. So I don't want to show any of this. I just want to show only ICMP message. This is the ping message. Okay, so I'm going to click on the one. Alright, so right now I try to ping from the router 0 to the router 1 here. 10, 0, 10, 2 here. You can see that the ping gets 80% successful, and then go back to the sniffer here. You can see that, hey, I got 4 ICMP message. It should be fine actually, but it failed one for the ARP buffer here. So when you click on the ARP here, I'm sorry, ICMP here, you can see that this is the list of the packet header here. You can see a lot of things, right? You can see, you know, the IP header, you know, the Ethernet type, the protocol, the destination MAC address, source MAC address here. You can learn this is the payload, this is the data. The TTL is 128. You can see everything, you know. What else? I'm sorry, this one is not TTL. I think this one is a TTL here. Okay, this is the source IP, destination IP. You know, this is the another data here. Okay, so what type of the packet? You can see here. This is the ICMP packet here. Alright. What else? So that's it. Yeah, and this is the sequence number, checksum here. Okay. So you can learn all of this by yourself and looking at the very basic data analysis. and this is the port 1, and you can click on the port 2. Very different, nothing different. Okay. Yeah, and I think that this tool is very great. It contains a lot of the physical. It only have 2 ports here. You can see the port that connect to the router 0 and the port connect to the router 1. And you can power on and power off this small networking device, something like that. Okay, that's it. It is the little tool that I want to introduce you guys, and it's very important. Like, again, it is very important to the basic networking student that wants to learn to analyze the packets in IP header, something like that. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.